Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to talk about how to collaborate with your friends using notes and how to write, how to read using notes as well. So you want to go to App Store, make sure to type on notes here to make sure it is in the latest version. If you see a open button right here, it means it's in the latest versions. So you want to click on open. Once you're here, you can create a new note by typing at the bottom right corner. You want to type something, maybe like group project. Once you're done, you want to click on the share button, the first icon on the right. When you're here, you can see there's a collaborate here. You can click on it. So make sure it's collaborate. Then you can share your notes using AirDrop, iMessage, Mail, Instagram, all sort of social media. For example, you can type a message and then you type on the name who you want to collaborate with. Once the person receives the link, he can click on it and can start collaborating. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more